Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to the most renowned place, the most known place, which is called Tzüza. So I'm with Mr. Opanger. So he's still a student and aspirant of Indian Army. So we are heading towards Tzüza. So this is we are at the junction. So it's so sunny. Today is sunny day. It's around 30 degrees Celsius. Hello everyone. After a long gap, finally today I'm going to jungle again. So also we are right now we are going to Ayong. Are you there? So this is me, Mr. Nongsang, your favorite boy, and behind me is my brother, Mr. Opanger, Opang. So today we are going to shoot some birds and catch some fish as well. So we'll see you. The air gun that I'm going to use today for hunting is this one. This is the air gun. The model of this air gun is NX 100. This air gun has a lot of memories because when I was 10 years of age, my father gave it to me, and he's no more in this world. Just kidding, he's at home. My father is at home. So don't be so emotional. So I'm gonna use this one. So let's see how much I'm gonna shoot it with this gun. Hello. So we are on our way to the main destination. It's so far from our home. Maybe we have to walk around 2 or 3 hours to reach the destination. So, Pungi? What is the meaning of Pungi? Oh, you mean here? Huh? I'm not afraid of such kind of wild anymore. I had a fist fight with Pungi several times. So we are today we had so much apprehension in our mind because a couple of 1 month back, right? Yes. There was an incident where a man at 60 years old. So we have already come to the 90%. We've already walked for 90%, so still 10% to go to reach our final destination. So let's go. Come on. So let's take break for a while. So this is the 100% organic water. Yeah. Fridge. 고수를 뜰랑 걸 걸. 고수를 뜰랑 걸 걸. So being in Ao, I always used to carry this tamu whenever I used to visit jungle, because without this I cannot do anything. This is my luck, I should say, and it's like a car without an engine. Without this I cannot do anything. So I should say my luck, my everything. This is my everything. So I'll show you how to eat tamo. So first we have to take this, and we have to throw away the extra line, and we have to put this into your mouth and take out the areca nut and put it in your mouth, and you have to chew as hard as you can. Yeah. Pellets that I'm going to use is this one. This is the bird's bill pellets. It costs around 600, but due to brokenness, I cannot afford pellets. So I've asked this pellet from my friend. It's around only 30 piece, but with this 30 piece, I'm gonna shoot at least 25. Some of my friends used to call me Robin Hood because whenever I go to jungle, I never come empty-handed. That's the reason behind it. I think they're calling me Robin Hood. So thank you, my friends, for giving me such a good nickname. Thank you. This is my friend, Mr. Opang. He's a class 12 student and a big fan of the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. He's a hardcore fan of BGP and many more. He's a talented man.
One eternity later.
Finally reached our destination. After 3 hours of walk, tired, exhausted, finally, with determination and persistence in walking, we have reached our destination. So, this was. So, I'll explain a little bit. This is the demarcation point of Tzüza. Please show it once. This is way to Kamlongyong, which means Kamlong River, and this is the demarcation point, and this is the another tributary of Kamlong River. So we're going to hit this way. So come this side. So this is the destination that we dream of. I'm so tired. And yeah. The water is so cold. Come on. Let's do this. So today, by any means, we're going to shoot 25 birds. That's my promise, and I'm going to fulfill it. So shooting of birds is totally prohibited in this jurisdiction or in this vicinity, but due to unable to resist the temptation, we are still shooting the birds. But though it is fun, we cannot resist the temptation. So that's the main reason. But someday we're gonna obey the law and order. We're not gonna obey the rules made by the authority. So, hello, can you see this carpet? I I just want to make an awareness. This is polluting our environment and causing water pollution. So please, the people of Mokokchung, stop throwing garbage in this river because it brings a lot of destructions to our environment and ecosystem as well. So please stop throwing garbage. Instead, throw in a food dumping place. Because throwing garbage and intoxicating all the substances into our water bodies cause a lot of destruction. So please stop throwing. Right now we are collecting fern. So this is the fern. This is very delicious. In Chongli we used to call it asang, right? 먹어도 잘 배.
아상.
asang. And in Mongsen we used to call it tonga. So this is the area where we are collecting fern. This is the stem of the fern. So while taking out, we have to hold here. This is the PTO, and we have to plug it from here, like this, and we have to collect it. And this is the very fragile fern. This is very lanu. We used to call lanu, which means very young and very tasty. This one. So this is how we collect the fern. So collect one, and we're going to collect more. This is one. This is another one. Yarang wa rồi. 이거 그냥 두고 와고 본 거야. hả? 두고 오자. Đang ở đây. Chắc cửa đang này ra. You know, off trở đây. So this is another vegetables we have found just now. So I don't know how we used to call it in Chongli, but in Mongsun we used to call chandra. And though I'm a botanist student, but I don't know the botanical name of this. But let me confirm it to my friend. What is the name of this plant? This is the fruit. So this is very that's another. That's another. So this is how we pluck the fruits. Not fruits, actually fruits is the vegetable. This is the young one. 아야, 시골라도 와. 이 덜어야 돼. There's still more, no? Yeah, still more. You take it out. Ay, ano ko na eh? Ano? Oh, kasal kung kasal. Okay. This is the fern wheat. So after a couple of hours loitering in the jungle, Unfortunately, I couldn't shoot anything. It's not my day. Today is not my day. So finally, I'm so hungry. So we're gonna eat now. So this is the food that we have carried from home. So this is the food, and this is the onion, raw onion. 아자, So we are having food right now. Hey, guess that what's there? Very tasty. After 2 hours of roaming in the jungle, I'm so exhausted, so tired. Yeah, sure. So right now, I've just washed my face. The water is so fresh. Fresher than the Loktak Lake of Manipur. Ah, it's so fresh. I feel so lively.
네.
야사, 아로사. 뭐라대? 잘하며. Hi, 그러니. So after washing my face, I feel so fresh, and so we are going back to our home sweet home. So our brother, he's still alive. Bishi koromase. Oyo pai na tago lagi wo. Bishi tokpase. The worst thing is that we have to again walk for another 3 or 4 hours to reach our home, and now we have to climb now. It will be another tiresome journey. 자볼리비 뭐나 흘리베 코르도 자올라기고 정골리도 팠나보 또 자올라기고. So right now we are going to take out some young banana, which means lachan. So my brother is climbing up there to take out the banana. So can you see it above? There's 2 lachan up there. So he's coming back after taking the lachan. So this is the lachan that we took out just now. We're gonna make a special curry with this. So the main purpose of coming to this to jungle today is to take this fruit, which is called chener. See, Mr. Obanger, he's collecting chener. This is his first time, right, Obang? Your first time collecting chener, right? So first time, let me try. So there goes my brother. See, monsoon door chakaze. The view is so good. See, this is the river, and this is the way to Ayong and Ayong. So during our practical class in Kohima Science College, we used to collect this one. This is the algae or the moss, and we have to dissect it. See, so soft, so fragile. And this is see, actually this is a plants, okay? No, no. After 5 hours of roaming, finally we're going back home. I'm so tired and exhausted. Today I've shot 25 birds, but I cannot show you right now. I cannot disclose it because there is something in it. So I'll show you in the next video. So keep watching. I'll try to upload the interesting content. So please keep. Oi, 인장 더 못 가다. 인장 막 하려나? Oh, okay. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.